and soon you will see me traveling with this car and smoking all the cars possible on the road. Doesn't matter if it's a BMW or whatever. What's up guys? Yo, Swift guy. Good, keep it up man, keep going slowly. It's 4 in the evening and just look at the climate man. I thought it's gonna be sunny and all, but started raining. I did not want it to rain, but unfortunately it is. But it's okay guys, let it rain man, it's gonna be amazing. Yo, this Tiago guys, forget all this. I'm about to reveal something next level which you guys have never expected from me. If you are following me on Instagram, you definitely know what I have just bought, but here it is. Damn bro, damn guys, just look at her guys, just look at those eyes. Damn man, I cannot just stop staring at it. Damn, since it's raining guys, let's get inside the car and keep driving while I'm talking to you. Before getting started, let's wear seatbelt man. Oops, what is this? What is this? Looks like I've seen it somewhere man. No idea bro, what the hell. I mean, I'm not gonna talk about the exterior of the car because you have seen a lot of videos, and I don't want to be the typical motor vlogger saying 15-inch wheels, 20-inch wheels, 17 wheels, and just cut that off. Let's put the car in drive mode, turn off the indicators, and let's get going man. Always check your rear views and woo! I'm not flooring. I have not even pressed 50% of the accelerator. I've just used 30% of it, and it's already at 80 km/h man. Like, I don't know, I have no words. I don't know what I should talk about this man. Just until I get the toll gate, just enjoy the drive for first 10 seconds. And also check this out man, this is my most favorite what do you call this, instrument cluster man. I already told you I'm not a typical YouTuber to know all the names, but I don't know, this is a meter, speed meter. This is the shape I like. Just look at the road and holy cow man, such a beautiful evening bro. Wow. Lane changing is not a problem in this car, to be honest. Okay, I'm just gonna take a U-turn here, and I might floor the car. I just bought this yesterday. I just bought this car yesterday guys. It's not even, I have not even driven it for 200 kilometers, and I have taken it out to show you guys how cool this machine is. Okay, I'm just gonna change the meter, use the paddle shifters, I'm not gonna do 0 to 100 now because I just bought this yesterday. I'm about to use the manual mode. Alright, and the car is in 3rd gear now. Just listen to the engine noise guys. Alright, you believe me or not, I have not even pressed more than 50% of my throttle. This is just a bomb guys. And you know what, this is not a 1.5 liter. What is this? Is a 1 liter TSI machine with turbo in it. And why I have bought 1 liter GT line instead of 1.5 GT, that's a very big story. It's not a story, I just used my mind, and I thought that 1.5 GT will bring you more headaches than happiness. So I'm already a BMW 3 Series user, you already know. The only reason why I didn't buy 1.5 GT is because of the DSG gearbox. It comes with DQ200. I know that's a long story. I don't know if I'll tell you in this vlog or not, but for now, let me just fucking take over this guy. Do you think you will beat me, bro? Never. Damn, you can never trust Indian roads, guys. Oh, for the first time in my life, I have seen lorry guy following a lane, man. I thought he'll just directly come to right lane, but hell yeah, motherfucker. Woohoo! What is this, guys? Is this even a one? I mean, forget the 1 liter engine. I'm not gonna talk about the engine because 1 liter engine is just a scam, guys. And the best part is it holds on to the gear until 6,000 RPM. Now I'm flooring it. Now I just floored it. What kind of speeds the car can do, man? And I'm only in 4th gear and have not, you know, exceeded the throttle limit. Wow, guys, this is wow. This is wow. Let me put the car in. Why the hell did you turn on the indicator and not coming right side, man? Because if you had to put the car in D mode and reduce the speed to 120 km/h, turn on all my reflexes, all my senses, man, this. Oh damn, guys, am I cornering? No, this is not even cornering. This is just going straight for this car. Auntie. Damn. I just bought this yesterday and I don't think I should be doing this, but whoa. What kind of brakes Skoda had produced in this car, man? What kind of brakes? Okay, manual mode, sport mode. Hold on, guys. Whoa! What? Are you serious? I thought I was doing 120 or something. I hear people complain about the AC of this car. Man, I'm feeling cold. Look at the speed I have put in. 1. It's not even 2, 3. It's 1 and I'm wearing full sleeves and I'm already feeling cold. And even the sunroof is on and sun is directly hitting my eyes. I mean, people who complain the AC in this car are either, you know, directly coming to this car from Rolls-Royce or they just don't know anything about the cars. But the suspension is little bit softer compared to my 3 Series and the Cruise. Cruise had much stiffer suspension. 3 Series also had stiffer suspension. There is no much difference. 3 Series just, you know, 10 centimeters longer than this and I think 3-4 centimeters wider than this. But the tire size of that car, I mean, I think we should not compare between 3 Series and this because that's a 60 lakh rupees car and this is a 20 lakh rupees car. But guys, this 20 lakhs is equal to 40 lakhs, trust me. If you are going to buy that Mahindra XUV 700 and you have already, you know, paid the advance and you are now going to take the delivery, I suggest you not to, guys, because of this I mean, to be honest, till 140 150 this car pulls like anything. I have driven Cruise, I have driven 3 Series and till 120 I don't feel any difference. Only difference I feel is those are diesel machines and this is a petrol machine. Even if 5 people are sitting in Cruise and 5 people are sitting in BMW, the moment I hit the throttle at right RPM, it just pulls. It gives the kickback feels. This doesn't give that much kickback feel when 5 people are sitting in the car, but when you're sitting all alone, it gives. I know 1.5 is faster than this and has better gearbox, but the gearbox is better, but it's very 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 dangerous. It comes with DQ200, which is a dry gearbox. During first and second shift, when you're driving around in the city, you will hear a lot of clanking sounds and gearbox heating issues, and its mechatronic has come from China, so it's not that fast. That gearbox can handle up to 250 Nm of torque. Above that it cannot handle. It's just above its capacity, and the car is already producing 250 Nm of torque, so you cannot tune it, you cannot go faster than that, and the car doesn't pull in first gear at all just to save the gearbox. That is the only reason I didn't buy this, and I bought this one, and I might tune it and take it to 300 horsepower, 300, 400 Nm of torque. You can do anything with this because it comes with the most reliable 1 liter TSI engine with damn, look at the Defender, guys. Comes with the most reliable 1 liter TSI engine with the most reliable torque converter gearbox. Vlogging after so long, guys, that's why I put the old memory card by mistake. But soon I'm gonna be traveling in this car and I'm gonna be vlogging like anything. And let me just stop somewhere here and show you around the car. I mean, you will get a GT line badging here only for this variant, and you'll get GT wheels. Yo, even the lorry guy is flooring. Yo, and the Mahindra guy has floored there and finally overtook me here. Whoa, that's a beautiful welfare, man. I mean, I can just spend hours and hours on highway, just stop the car and then keep looking at other cars. And soon you will see me traveling with this car and smoking all the cars possible on the road. Doesn't matter if it's a BMW or whatever. Yeah, guys, I need to take out all the covers. I just bought this yesterday, as I already told you, so damn, what is this, guys? I have not explored anything yet. It says 260. Do you think it will go? I mean, I told you, right, if you tune the car it goes up to 260. That is the only reason Volkswagen has given 260 over here, lol. And this is my favorite meter. What the hell, guys? 8.6 km per liter. Man, the instrument cluster is so smooth, guys. It's so freaking smooth. Man, it just runs at 60 FPS. It's kind of smoother than most of the Android devices, And people are mad about this UI. This comes with the latest cars. If you want this UI, I think you need to go to service center and get your software updated. Let me check the software. So many people are asking the software of this car. Okay, this is the software of this car, 0872. If you want this, you go and get your WATAS updated at the Volkswagen showroom. Sorry. Damn, look at the all black beautiful interior, man. Comes with cooled glove box and touchscreen ACs. Wow, this is not uncle's car, guys. This is a youth's car. Comes with beautiful paddle shifters,